Are some of your plants looking a little haggard? Between the heat dome and super cold January, our plants have taken a beating. Here are some ways to tell if your plant is still alive and salvageable. Scratch the bark, and if there's green underneath, then that branch is live. With something like a wax leaf privet, you can cut back into the green and you will see the new buds will start to break dormancy. Things like rosemaries and nandinas really took a hit this winter. I lost mine at home. Sometimes you have to let them go. The nandinas, they will often reflush, but that might take more patience than you have. Some things like choicea will actually bounce back quite a bit. I'm going to cut right in to the new growth. The buds will break dormancy, and I'm going to apply an all-purpose broadleaf evergreen food so that you can have some push of new growth.